Is Kraken the ultimate crypto haven for us Canadians, or are there hidden icebergs lurking beneath the surface? That's the million-dollar question we're diving into today. Forget the usual "hey guys, welcome back to the channel." We're cutting straight to the chase because, let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency moves faster than a maple leaf in a hurricane, and if you're a Canadian crypto enthusiast, you need answers, and you need them now. So, you're thinking about dipping your toes, or maybe you're already swimming in the sometimes choppy, often exhilarating waters of cryptocurrency. You've likely heard of Kraken. It's a big name, a global player, a platform that boasts a wide array of digital assets and a reputation for security. But the crucial question remains, does it play nice with us folks up north? Does it cater to our specific needs, our regulations, our quirks? Let's rewind a bit and set the stage. Canada's relationship with cryptocurrency has been, well, evolving. We haven't seen the outright bans or the Wild West scenarios that have played out in some other parts of the world. Instead, we've witnessed a gradual tightening of regulations, a push for greater transparency, and a clear signal that while innovation is welcome, it needs to operate within established frameworks. This means that not every international crypto platform can simply set up shop here without jumping through some hoops. Now, Kraken has been around the block. Founded in 2011, it's one of the veterans of the crypto exchange world. They've weathered storms, navigated regulatory shifts in numerous jurisdictions, and built a substantial user base globally. This experience certainly counts for something. It suggests a level of resilience and adaptability that's crucial in this ever-changing landscape. But let's get down to brass tacks. Can Canadians actually use Kraken? The short answer is yes. As of today, May 7, 2025, Kraken does indeed offer its services to Canadian residents. You can sign up, verify your account, deposit Canadian dollars, CAD, and trade a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. That's the good news, the initial sigh of relief. However, the devil, as they say, is in the details. Just because a platform is accessible doesn't automatically make it the best or the most suitable option for Canadian users. We need to delve deeper into the specifics. One of the first things any Canadian crypto trader will consider is funding. Can you easily get your hard-earned loonies and toonies onto the platform? Kraken offers several methods for depositing CAD, including Interac e-transfer, which is a staple of Canadian banking and a huge convenience for many. They also typically support bank wire transfers. The availability and processing times for these methods can sometimes fluctuate, so it's always wise to check Kraken's official support pages for the most up-to-date information. Withdrawals are equally important. When you've made those gains, hopefully, how easily can you convert your crypto back into Canadian dollars and get it into your bank account? Kraken generally supports similar withdrawal methods to deposits, again often including Interac e-transfer and bank wires. Keep an eye on any potential fees associated with both deposits and withdrawals, as these can eat into your profits over time. Kraken's fee structure is generally considered competitive, but it's crucial to understand the different tiers and how they might apply to your trading activity. Now, let's talk about the main event, trading. What cryptocurrencies can Canadians buy and sell on Kraken? The platform boasts a vast selection, ranging from the well-established giants like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, to a plethora of altcoins. This extensive list can be a major draw for experienced traders looking for diverse investment opportunities. However, it's also important for newcomers to do their own research on any coin they're considering, as not all projects are created equal. Beyond just buying and selling, Kraken offers a range of other features that might be of interest to Canadian users. Margin trading, for those with a higher risk tolerance and a deeper understanding of trading strategies, is often available. Staking, which allows you to earn rewards on certain cryptocurrencies simply by holding them on the platform, is another potential avenue for generating passive income. Kraken also has advanced trading tools and order types that cater to more sophisticated traders. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency, and Kraken has generally maintained a strong reputation in this area. They employ various security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage of the majority of funds, and regular security audits. For Canadian users, knowing that a platform prioritizes security is a significant factor in building trust. However, no platform is perfect, and there are always things to consider. One aspect that Canadian users should be mindful of is Kraken's regulatory compliance within Canada. While they currently operate here, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is still evolving. It's essential to stay informed about any changes in regulations and how they might affect your use of the platform. Kraken has generally shown a willingness to work with regulators in various jurisdictions, which is a positive sign. Another factor to consider is customer support. If you run into an issue, need clarification on a process, or have a question about your account, how easily can you get help? Kraken offers various support channels, including a comprehensive help center and email support. Some users have reported varying experiences with response times, which is something to keep in mind, especially if you're new to crypto and might need more assistance initially. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: alternatives. Kraken is undoubtedly a major player, but it's not the only option available to Canadian crypto users. There are other international exchanges that also operate in Canada, as well as Canadian-based platforms that cater specifically to the local market. These Canadian platforms often have the advantage of being deeply familiar with the Canadian financial system and regulatory environment, potentially offering smoother CAD transactions and customer support that's attuned to Canadian needs. Some popular alternatives for Canadian crypto users include platforms like Coinbase, Binance, though its availability has seen some changes over time, so it's crucial to verify its current status, and Canadian-based exchanges like Newton, Coinberry, and BitBuy. Each of these platforms has its own set of features, fees, and pros and cons. It's always a good idea to compare a few different options before settling on the one that best suits your individual needs and preferences. So, is Kraken the be-all and end-all for Canadian crypto users? The answer, like most things in the crypto world, isn't a simple yes or no. Kraken offers a robust platform with a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, various trading features, and a generally strong security track record. Its support for Canadian dollars through methods like Interac e-transfer is a significant plus. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.